Are you tired of looking at yourself in the mirror and hating what you see? Maybe you feel like your shoulders are slumped or your chest is out. Or maybe you just want to improve your posture so you can look and feel your best. Well, we've got some good news for you. Fixing your posture doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. In fact, you can fix your posture fast with these easy tips. So if you're ready to love the way you look again, keep watching. We'll show you how it's done. We understand that you might be wondering why you should listen to us. After all, there's a lot of information out there on how to fix your posture. But here's the thing. We've been where you are. We've struggled with bad posture and we've tried everything that's out there. And let's just say not everything works. That's why we're committed to helping you achieve a straight posture fast and efficiently. We've developed a unique approach that takes into account the latest research on posture correction as well as our own experiences. So if you're ready to learn from the best, keep watching. We promise you won't regret it. So let's jump right in and reveal the secrets to fixing your posture fast. Tip number 1, become aware of your posture. The first step to fixing your posture is becoming aware of it. You can't fix something if you don't know it's broken, so start paying attention to how you sit, stand and move throughout the day. Are your shoulders slumped? Is your chest out? Don't worry if the answer is yes. This is a common issue, and it's nothing to be ashamed of. Just be aware of it, and move on to tip number 2. Tip number 2, strengthen your core muscles. Your core muscles play a vital role in maintaining good posture. When these muscles are weak, your spine is more likely to curve out of alignment. So it's essential to strengthen them to support your spine and keep it in good shape. There are many exercises that you can do to strengthen your core muscles. One effective exercise is the plank. Start in a push-up position with your forearms on the ground, elbows aligned with your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core muscles. Hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute, gradually increasing the time as you get stronger. Another great exercise is the kneeling lat stretch on bench or box. Place your hands or elbows on the bench, palms down, arms extended. Sit your hips back toward your heels. Let your chest drop down toward the floor to feel a deep stretch in your lats, sides of your back. Hold for 20-30 seconds and breathe deeply. Tip number 3, stretch your chest muscles. Tight chest muscles can cause your shoulders to roll forward and your posture to suffer. So it's important to stretch these muscles regularly to keep your upper body in balance. One great stretch for your chest muscles is the door frame stretch. Stand in a doorway with your arms extended and bent at the elbow, resting on the door frame. Lean forward slightly and hold for 30 seconds to a minute. You should feel a stretch in your chest and shoulder muscles. Another option is the lying chest stretch. Lie face up on a bench with your arms by your side. Lift your upper body off the bench, arching your back, and hold for 10 to 30 seconds. You can also try other stretches, such as the seated shoulder stretch and the standing chest stretch. By following these 3 tips, you'll be well on your way to improving your posture and achieving a straight posture fast. Remember to become aware of your posture, strengthen your core muscles, and stretch your chest muscles. With dedication and practice, you'll soon see results and feel the benefits of good posture. So don't wait any longer. Start today and love the way you look and feel tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to continue learning about health and fitness, don't forget to subscribe. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos packed with valuable information. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.